everybody, this is Courtney. Today I am making bug spray that you can put on that will get rid of ticks and mosquitoes. So the first things first, need 1 cup of witch hazel, or you can use distilled water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 40 drops of lemongrass essential oil. So I had bought some essential oil through Amazon, and you can also use, let's see, it says lemon, eucalyptus, cedarwood, or geranium for this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put it together on camera. I'm going to smell it to see if it smells good, which it should. And then it's suggested that you get these glass bottles. I think like the blue, the darker, the better, because it keeps like the sunlight from exposing it. It might go rancid. But anyway, I bought 3 of these cobalt bottles. They came in the mail. And let's go ahead and mix this up. Okay, so I thought I wasn't going to be able to make this today because I didn't think I had all the ingredients, but I do. I didn't have distilled water, but you can use distilled water or witch hazel, which I have tons of witch hazel right here. So we're going to go ahead and take the cap off, and I'm going to go ahead and put a cup, and I should have a cup of it. So let's go ahead and dump that in there. Yep, exactly a cup of witch hazel. Okay, since I'm working only with one hand, I went ahead and put the apple cider vinegar in there. You just need a tablespoon of that. Now, I went ahead and bought this essential oil from Amazon. I've never heard of this brand. I have a lot of doTERRA or whatever, but I couldn't find it. So anyway, I'm using this. And it comes in a little bottle like this, and you need about 40 drops. Okay, so I need 40 drops of this. I'm not going to count out all 40 drops, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and let me do one more little sweep here. Got to be really careful with these funnels, and I've noticed that when any of the ones that come from like any essential oil or tincture, whatever, you got to be careful because you can really overfill it. So it looks like we're good. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cap on that, and I will have 3 bottles. It looks like I'll be able to fill up each one. And this weekend we are going to Countersport, Pennsylvania to go. It's some of the darkest skies in the United States on the East Coast. So we can see the Milky Way, and we will be outside a lot. So I'm hoping that this works for us and repels the ticks and the mosquitoes. And it smells really good too. It just smells like lemon spray. But super excited to be using this. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.